Okay, y'all need to learn how to draw some hands, and I'm by no means the best at drawing hands, but even still, they're not so hard. You just have to get down some basic shapes and some angles and basically look at hands a lot. And something I don't see a lot of people do is connect it to the wrist, to the arm, to the rest of the arm, and that helps a lot, specifically in placement and finding a natural way to position the arm. And some of these drawings here, they're not perfect, and some of them are kind of unnatural, but specifically the ones that I finish inking in the end are the ones that I'm seeing the best form and expression through. The hand is basically a sort of triangle from the side, and it's a rectangle or a square, three-dimensional, from the top and the bottom. And I don't know, guys, draw hands more. I'm giving you examples here. Look at your hand. Do hand things. I'll probably do another one of these about feet. I already did one where it was just a drawing collage like this with a bunch of different examples on it. But if you guys need apparently another foot and or shoe tutorial from me, then fine. But just put the effort in. They're not the most easy, and they're not the most difficult. They're just a thing with a lot of moving parts that move a very specific way, but once you get it down, it really adds, I guess, what I call production value to your drawings, because you're not just trying to hide them all the time, you're putting conscious effort into drawing a very, you gotta do it. You gotta do feet. And if you don't do it, then it looks bad. So you gotta do it. And so I drew a bunch of positions here to try and help out with that, and trying my best to show which direction they move in and where the line of motion leads. And I did this one arm here in the center, or off to the left here, and the muscles aren't right, so please excuse that. And then I did this one up here, and it's actually holding a cigarette. In here. Okay, I'm inking it now. Just look. It adds gracefulness, and it shows you understand the form. It's like a good thing to know how to do, even if you're not good at it, like I'm not. But even still, it's like, you should be learning, trying how to do this. Because if you don't, then what are you doing? You're just gonna never draw hands? Silly. Look, do it. Done.